Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. It's amazing how often you need a screwdriver, and it's good to have a really good quality one. So this is from Klein, and I want to show it to you because it is a very high quality, long lasting, and really durable screwdriver. So this is the number 2 Phillips, and it has a 7-inch round shank. So this is actually made from a very strong steel, which is chrome plated and corrosion resistant. The nice thing about this too is that the tip is reinforced and it is really, really strong and durable. We have had this screwdriver for a long time, and my husband does a lot of work with mechanical work, electrical work, uses these all the time, and it has held up extremely well. And when he's not using it, I'm using it for different home projects as well. I also love that the handle is really nice and comfortable, has a little bit of a cushiony grip to it. It feels really good in your hand, and you're able to have really good control over the screwdriver. So even if something is a little bit tight, you're able to easily hang on to this and not slip. So if you're looking for a solid, high quality screwdriver that's going to last for many, many years, definitely would check out the Klein tool screwdriver. This is an awesome product, definitely has stood the test of time, and that is my point of view.